you on this amazing Tuesday evening, 4 p.m. Super excited to be here today, guys. We've got some charting to do. Charting hasn't really changed too much. Some news, some things that I want to talk about. We're going to try to keep this short and sweet, plus some giveaways that's motivated by Coinbase. Coinbase. What do you think about Coinbase Wallet? Coinbase Wallet. Delisting some of our favorite assets. What's going on with that one? We're going to talk about it. Really quickly before we get started, let's say what's up to the fam. Let me send a reply here to my guy. Give me 1 second, guys. So yeah, we got some interesting things, guys. Interesting things. Bullish PDP real. How you doing, my friend? 100, keeping it real. Appreciate you, my brother. Bullish PDP real. I appreciate your support, my man. Shane Sullivan. What's up, my man, Shane? So we're gonna go get started here in a minute, guys. Like I said, markets hasn't really changed too much. I want to go over some of the things that I've seen that a little bit weird. Let's see. Let's start off with the market cap, guys. We're still sitting over 834 billion. You know, there's some movement. You know, but it's funny because I was reading something. I was watching BitBoy stream, and when he was over in the Bahamas, and the guy goes, "BitBoy, some emergency news. He goes, "What's going on?" He goes, "The market's moving," and it went from like, I don't know, it was like 18.2 to 18.6 or something. He goes, "Man, that's not movement." So, you know, or I'm sorry, 16.2 to 16.6. So, you know, if you see Bitcoin jumping up around a few $100, now if it jumps up and down a couple thousand, that's some movement. So, you know, with that being said, you know, we're still sitting around 16.5. Bitcoin seemed to be getting rejected around that 16.7. Ethereum still staying above 12, had a little bit of a movement, up 7% in a week. We talked about that earlier. BNB still the same, just under 300. XRP, it's kind of, you know, that's one of the coins. It's amazing to me. That's one of the coins that Coinbase Wallet has chose to unlist or not be in support of, I guess. And so we're going to look into that a little bit more. Doge, 10 cents Doge is still moving. I mean, almost 30% for the week. That's amazing. Go Doge. Cardano, 31 cents. Polygon, 84. Polkadot, love Polkadot, 533. Waiting for that dot to go down. Shiba, still sitting around that. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 9. Solana, still everything's pretty much the same, guys. I don't really see a whole lot of movement today. Nowhere through the market do I see a lot of movement. I mean, again, I just think there's just too much fear, too much uncertainty, too much doubt. What do we call that? FUD. Jeanette McFadden, my beautiful queen. How you doing, sweetheart? David, what's up, my man? David, appreciate you, brother. So we're going to do real quick, guys, we're going to go to, like I said, markets haven't really moved too much. Not much to go over in that. I'm going to go straight into my Twitter while I was looking at, you know, some of the biggest news. And I know the title says Bitfront. You know, let's go to Bitfront first. Let's do that. So Bitfront is an exchange, guys. Apparently, it looks like, let me just read here. It looks like it's owned by a Japanese social media app that shut down today. So Bitfront, a crypto exchange backed by Japanese social media app Line, is shutting down after failing to overcome turmoil in the industry. The announcement by the U.S.-based exchange comes at a time where the market for digital assets is grappling with financial contagion. Okay, contagion. I think I clicked this, and it went into like what's going on as far as how it's affecting. You know, it goes into like the whole. Let's see if I can get this to pull up here. Okay, where we go. Everything from celebrities, Tom Brady, his wife, Shaq, all these different celebrities, Genesis, Gemini. So, you know, basically it's just saying how this financial contagion has unleashed by the spectacular collapse of another crypto exchange, FTX, and how it's affecting other platforms. However, it seems like they're saying this is not why it's affecting their platform. It says trading on Bitfront will be suspended by the end of the year. Hey, at least they're giving people time. It's not one of those things, hey guys, everything's shut off. You know, it's still giving people time to get their money, get their withdrawals off by March 31st, 2023. Hey, it said in a statement on Wednesday, you can actually read this statement if you click there. The company said that it had been unable to overcome the challenges in this rapidly evolving industry. What challenges? Could those challenges be what happened with FTX? while distancing a decision from the implosion of FTX. It says, please note that this decision is unrelated to recent issues related to certain exchanges that have been accused of misconduct. Okay, but it's hard to believe. I mean, that's what they're saying. They're saying it's not related, it's unrelated to what's going on with FTX, probably meaning that they didn't have any direct connections with FTX, but I would say that FTX is affected. I would say that the price of Bitcoin and the price of a lot of digital assets are affecting it, but we'll go ahead and read on more. Let's see. It says Line, which is again this Japanese social platform, opened Bitfront in 2020. Okay, so it's been out for a couple years. It will now focus on its native blockchain ecosystem and token. Its decision to shut down the exchange came on the same day crypto lender BlockFi filed for bankruptcy. On the same day? You saying that this had no unrelated? Goes into BlockFi. Let's see. It says, unlike Bitfront, BlockFi's problems were directly linked to FTX. The lender had announced this month that it had halted withdrawals, citing a significant exposure to FTX. Okay, so I don't know what that gives as far as on the information. But it just for me, guys, it just kind of goes to show that here goes another exchange. I was reading on some other things, because I typically read them today. There's CEOs from, I think it was like AXX or some exchange, CEOs that are stepping down from certain exchanges. I mean, what's happening, guys? Like, are they doing like internal audits saying there's some things not right and people are stepping down? I mean, it's amazing. It's amazing. So what is this one here? I don't know if I actually listened to this or not. Demise of one of crypto's biggest players. Let's look at this. I didn't watch it, but let's look at it together. I wonder if it has anything to do it with the exchange. Just
one of its biggest players is partly to blame. Sam Bankman-Fried built FTX into a huge crypto exchange valued at $32 billion over just 3 years. Well, last week it imploded, sending aftershocks throughout the industry. He issued a mea culpa on Twitter Thursday saying, I'm sorry, I effed up. I should have done better. On Friday morning, he resigned as CEO, announced the firm's going into bankruptcy. And now some comments he made months ago when he was considered a white knight in the industry, they have not aged well.
So this sounds like it's old news because it said this Friday, but I'm interested in what the white knight had to say.
I'm not concerned about more regulation. I think getting consumer protection in areas where there is not currently enough can be extremely helpful for a robust ecosystem. I think it's just important to do so in a way that fits the product.
We should hopefully end up in a world in which, we're not the ones making financial decisions on behalf of our users. We want to offer the products that there's demand for.
I'm going to be here for the long term. I have no plans to leave. That is not something that is on my horizon. And
now look, guys, I didn't watch all this. I mean, I just kind of went through it and decided to look at it. He says, I'm going to be around for the long term. Okay, so this is why you can't trust what all these guys are saying. There's a lot of people that are making claims that everything is good. I don't know. It looks like Dave is, everything is good. Hey, our exchange is okay. We got no problems. We're going to be around here for the long term. There's nothing to worry about. We're not like FTX. Yet CEOs are stepping down. Yet exchanges are shutting down. And I got something else to show you guys, but let me finish hearing this.
I would not be spending a lot of my energy looking at succession planning that was not going to come into effect here.
Here with us now, someone he actually spoke to, New York Times crypto reporter David Yaffe-Bellany. He's interviewed Sam Bankman-Fried, and it's a hard interview to get. And he told you it could have been worse. When I read your piece, first of all, congrats on getting the interview. When I read your piece, I thought two things. I thought hubris, and it reminded me of move fast and break things. What do you think?
I mean, it was an interesting window into his state of mind during this incredible crisis that's, hurt hundreds of thousands of people, that's destabilized the industry, that's cost him his reputation and his fortune practically overnight. I mean, he sounded remarkably relaxed to me. I was kind of shocked by his tone at certain points. At the end of the interview, he was joking about these cryptic tweets that he was posting, talking about the video games that he was playing. I mean...
So this guy lost all these people's money, and he's talking about video games? What? Wow.
He was certainly repentant and at times seemed almost kind of agonized by what had happened, but the overall tone was really kind of peculiar. He didn't sound like somebody whose life had just been ruined.
If you
Is it possible Sam Bankman's in denial? I won't go too much into this. There's some other things I want to share. Guys, that's, and then I actually pulled up this here, and I hate to jump past the Coinbase deal, but it says exclusive, Sam Bankman-Fried. Now, this is, what, today? An hour ago. It says exclusive, Sam Bankman-Fried says he's down to $100,000. What? $100,000? That's ridiculous. How do you go from, and I pulled this up as well, Forbes magazine, guys, Forbes magazine, 23 billion. Only Zuck has been as rich, 23 billion as a young 29-year-old. To you have 100. My son last year, in the when the market was almost at $100,000, you got $100,000. Wow, and you were just on Forbes. What? What is this? This came out in Forbes in early October. So 2 months ago, month and a half ago, you're in Forbes, and all of a sudden today you're telling everybody you got 100,000. What? I'm interested in reading this. SBF had 100,000 left in his bank account last time he checked. So that tells me that there's a lot of assets being frozen. I mean, the fact that they left him 100,000 probably just so he can live, but I don't know. There's a lot more to that because just a couple days ago they're talking about how his parents and took out money to buy over 19 multi-million, tens of millions of properties in the Bahamas, and this guy's got 100,000. Is it possible? I guess so. He checked in an interview. The former FTX CEO pointed to both personal failures and regulatory gaps to help explain the implosion of his company. Okay, so he had an interview on Monday. What is he saying? Am I allowed to say a negative number? He said, when asked about his personal finances. I mean, I have no idea. I don't know. I had 100,000 in my bank account last time I checked, he said. Wow. It's complicated. Basically, everything I had was just tied up in the company, he said. He added, it wasn't even all your money, buddy. His personal wealth at one point had reached 26.5 billion of other people's money. Right? Of other people's money. Wow. And you wonder why regulations are going to be coming down so hard. Okay, so enough of that. Let's go back into, I got a couple messages from some of our amazing, how you guys doing here? We got David Adams. How you doing, David? Bullish Pete, what he says, maybe 100K stated and billions unstated. And or his parents' name. Yeah, for sure. They're doing a lot of hiding, guys. A lot of hiding. I agree with you on that one. Frankie Legend, how you doing, my friend? Bullish Pete, real appreciate you guys. Dore, I just sent out your two-tone. It's funny, Dore, you actually ordered a shirt I don't have yet. I saw that I was like, Dore, where'd you get a blackcrypto.com? She's like, can you give me the crypto.com shirt with the white sleeves? I was like, crypto.com with a black shirt with the white sleeves. I had to go in, and she finally had me go into, I guess it was like the baseball apparel. That's a nice shirt, Dore. I got to step my game up. Dore's already found some nice gear on our merch store. That was a nice shirt we sent out to Dore today. So congratulations last night to Dore. The other 10 winners of the random NFTs given out by Dad Bods. We're going to be having them on, I believe it's Friday, right? Friday, I think it's the 2nd. We're going to have Dave and he has so many billions, yeah. Dave and Josh, and we're going to be explaining the partnerships we have with all these celebrities, what make that bot work, and we're going to start doing some more giveaways. So Iron Man, my boy, what did Iron say? Right? Should have all his assets. Man, who you telling? 100,000? He shouldn't even have that much, Iron Man. You right? I got to use Iron Man's favorite saying. That makes me kind of salty. That's my boy Iron Man saying. So let's see here, guys. Let's see, Coinbase Wallet. So I got some messages today, guys, about Coinbase Wallet. Let's open this thread up here. removing support. Wow, okay, so it says after careful evaluation, we will be removing support for several networks with low activity on Coinbase Wallet starting in January 2023, including BCH, Binance Cash, ETC, Ethereum Classic, XLM, Stellar. This is ridiculous. XRP, Ripple, really? Wow, okay. These routine evaluations allow us to continue investing in new features that make Web3 more accessible. So I don't know who's got more into this or looked more into this. It says, rest assured that any balances of these assets held in a Coinbase account, Coinbase Wallet, I assume, Moet will not be impacted. Coinbase Wallet users with assets on impacted networks can learn how to continue accessing their assets here. So I guess they have a place. So, I mean, I just don't understand. So, because I can think of, when you talk about these assets, you're talking about BHC. BHC is what? So XLM, we know XRP is the number seventh ranked crypto in the world, right? ETC is ranked number 23 in the world, XLM 25, and BCH number 26. Now, I can think of a whole lot of assets on that Coinbase Wallet supports that should probably go before these assets. That makes no sense. So in light of all this, and again, guys, if anyone has any information on this further, I mean, you can kind of go into I've got this on my Twitter where you can kind of go in and get more information, more clarity. I was kind of doing like a light dive on it, and I couldn't really figure out any reasoning. I also saw where I think it was like Cointelegraph or someone reached out to Coinbase and they refused to make comments on why they made this decision. Does anybody have any information on why this happened? Because I sure didn't find any. But in support of XRP, because I think this is crazy. And I mean, guys, look, I mean, there could be some concerns here because obviously a lot of us probably hold assets on Coinbase Wallet, or, you know, you have your, your Trust Wallet, your Exodus, MetaMask, what have you. But to unlist or to say that you're not going to show support for these networks, that's crazy. You're not going to show support for these networks. What are you talking about? So in light of this, guys, because they're bullying on our XRP, we all love XRP. It says, tell me Coinbase knows something we don't know. Maybe, Frankie, I don't know. But in support of XRP, because I believe in XRP, right? Not financial advice. We're going to do giveaways of XRP. Because you're bullying XRP, we're going to do some giveaways. How's everybody? Is everybody okay with that? Can we do some XRP giveaways? Since they want to bully XRP. XRP has not had a fair shake in a long time. So I think after this whole SEC XRP fiasco is done, they'll relist it. Maybe. We'll see. And that's why it's so important to have your ledgers and things like that, guys. You know, because you don't want to ever be in a position. I personally don't hold any XRP. I don't hold any XLM. I don't hold any ETC or BCH on Coinbase Wallet. I hold them, not on that wallet. So for me, it wasn't a big impact. But just to see this is kind of like what Frankie's saying there. Why? I have no idea. But in support of XRP, I say we do an XRP giveaway. I say we do, we're going to do an XRP giveaway over the next 5 streams, over the next 5 to 10 streams. We'll see, 5, 6, 7, I don't know. Just to say, you know what, Coinbase Wallet, who you screwing with? Now, I like Coinbase Wallet, but don't mess with our XRP, even though I don't have it on there. It's okay. Just give me an excuse to give away more money. It's okay. We love it. They could be backing competition XRP, XLM. Who knows? That's right. I mean, XLM too? Come on, man. What? I mean, if you want to mess around, because what is BHC? A fork of Bitcoin. What is ETC? A fork of Ethereum. But XLM and XRP, what? Come on, you're dealing with 2 future all-stars. Not financial advice, just my opinion. So I don't like that one. If you have any comments on that, guys, let us know. Super suspect, right? I know. I mean, you're not picking on something small. I mean, ETC, BHC, I mean, okay, maybe you can go there. Maybe. I don't know. I mean, BCH has a lot of support, a lot of a great community, all that stuff. ETC as well, I'd imagine. I mean, look where they're ranked. I mean, there's a lot of coins. I mean, let's go back to where they're at again. Ethereum Classic, 23. Bitcoin Cash, 26. I mean, what's past that? Kronos, Crow, Ape, Algo, File, QNT, VeChain. I mean, good Lord. These coins are ranked in the top 26. And you're removing them? That's just crazy. Don't understand that. But in light of that, in support of that, we're going to give away. I mean, I could give away all of them, but, you know, I don't hold a whole lot of BCH. I don't hold a lot of ETC. Love XLM. My XLM is not for sale. Hold a lot of XRP, but you know what? I got a few dollars sitting on one of those exchanges. Who knows? We'll give XRP away over the next 5 to 10 streams. Who knows? Maybe 5. What's between 5 and 10? 7? Between 5 to 10, we'll give away, I don't know what. We'll think of a number, 50. 50? I don't know. Why is 50 good? We'll know. So we can spread it out and more people can win. Because think about it. If XRP really is, again, not financial advice, what they say it is, what we believe it is, what we hope it is, and they're doing all the things behind the closed doors that they're doing right now, all these partnerships, all these financial institution, partnerships and things that are happening, XLM as well, but we're talking about XRP. And that coin, we know from what we hear, what we understand, not financial advice, is supposed to be $1,000, could be a multi-thousand, who knows, may not, may happen, I believe, not financial advice. So 50, if you can hit 1,000, 50,000 someday, we'll give away 50. I like that number, 50 over the next, what's between 5 and 10, 7 streams. Everybody okay with that? 1 billion. 1 billion, what are you referring to, Ant? 1 billion. I don't know what Ant meant by that. Clarify the Ant so I can read it. Okay, so we talked about Bitfront. We talked about, so here's something interesting, guys. I want to read something here. It says, what is crypto winter, right? Because they said Bitfront was impacted by crypto winter. And I thought to myself, what is crypto winter? Let's talk about it. What is crypto winter? Crypto winter is a common expression that refers to a poorly performing crypto market. Okay, we're there. The term is comparable to a bear market in the stock market. Okay, but we have bear markets in crypto. All right. A crypto winter signifies negative sentiment and lower average asset values among a large swath, I use the word swath, of digital currencies. Research shows that crypto winters have a major impact on investor mentality, for sure. That's why I say, don't be emotional, control those emotions. Look at the cryptocurrency price history. It's sometimes easy to spot a crypto winter because the downturn may come with a double-digit percentage drop in crypto values. If that's the case, we're not in crypto winter, we're in a crypto damn storm. Double-digit? Yeah, I would say so. We're in a crypto storm, a winter storm, let's put it that way. Understanding a crypto winter. There have been several crypto winters in the past. For example, from late 2017 to 2020, crypto prices fell and hovered far off from prior peak prices. However, in December 2020, in a significant crypto prices exploded to record highs in a significant crypto bull market. Okay, the blue writing threw me off. There are no widely accepted specific guidelines for how far crypto prices must fall to be considered a crypto winter. I would say we're in one now. But market leaders and influencers tend to agree publicly when one has begun, as was the case in early 2022. Due to the volatility of crypto markets, it's impossible to accurately predict future price changes. However, it's wise for crypto investors to be aware that crypto winters happen. I'm freezing right now. I'm cold. I know you guys are out there as well. Crypto storm. See, concerns about crypto winters. How's the crypto winter different from a bear market? Interesting. And for anybody who wants to read this and further, this is posted on my Twitter page. It says, how is crypto winter different from bear markets? I wonder. The term bear market commonly refers to a period when stocks are lower in value, often due to a mix of economic factors. Though a bear market and crypto winter can coincide, they are not necessarily correlated. Okay. Stock prices are determined by market forces, and investors rely on fundamental and technical analysis. Hey, I did some study on that. Strategies to determine target prices. With cryptocurrencies, valuation models are in their infancy. This can lead to a major disconnect between stock and cryptocurrencies. However, As the crypto winter that began in 2021 demonstrates, there's also a possibility that a down stock market can happen simultaneously with a down crypto market. Of course it can. Of course it can. Okay, so this is just more information. How can you predict? So again, all this is on my Twitter page, guys, explaining what is a crypto winter. Okay. Coinbase, institutional investors increase allocations during crypto winter, long-term price outlook positive. Okay. So I saw this, guys, and I didn't really read too much into it. I just kind of put it up here. It talks about, I guess Coinbase must have done some type of must have done some research, and I guess they feel like institutional investors are buying right now. It says that the Nasdaq-listed cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase published Thursday the findings from a survey it sponsored to understand how decision makers at U.S. institutions view digital assets. The survey was conducted independently by an institutional investor custom research lab between September 21st and October 27th. A total of 140 institutional investors in the U.S. participated in the survey, representing about $2.6 trillion in assets under management. Coinbase was not involved in sourcing the respondents. Coinbase wrote, institutional investors increased their allocations during the crypto winter. Okay, so, which we know this, right? When it's bloody in the streets, you buy. Now, is this the bottom? Is this a great place to go out there and start, buying up loads of crypto? I don't know. That's why we always say, what? Dollar cost average. So in my opinion, this is what they're saying here. Institutions are dollar cost averaging during this crypto winter, with many using this opportunity to learn and build for the future. What I always say, guys, especially right now, everyone wants to be active. Oh, let me sit there and see if I can trade it out and make some money. I mean, this is a very, in my opinion, from someone who started off trading, it's very scary because you can get in trades right now. Oh, it's going to go up to 18, and all of a sudden it tanks down, and you got your money caught up. Then you pull out, and then you're down. I mean, it can be very scary, guys. So I think for me personally, this is a time that you want to be a great student. This is a time that you want to learn. I always say, the more you learn, the more you earn. So this is a great time to go back and look at all those assets that you might have bought because someone told you it was great, or maybe you just looked at the top 10 and hey, let me go back here and look. Oh, Bitcoin, it looks good. Oh, Go back and learn why Dogecoin, why Cardano, why Matic, and then see if there's reason that you should stay in those assets or dollar cost into more, right? So let's go back into where I was at here. It says 62% of investors who are currently invested in crypto increased their allocations in the past 12 months. Okay. This is evident that the institutional investors have continued to take a long-term view of the asset class even as prices have fallen. Yeah, because here's the thing, guys, and we've talked about this before. I personally, I don't see, and I would hope that everyone who's looking at this, common sense would tell you that this is not over. Ever since FTX, FTT, Sam Bankman-Fried, it's been one thing after another. If it's not Genesis or Gemini or Bitfront or BlockFi or whoever, who's next? And I'm not trying to be a conspiracy theorist here, but yeah, I just think there's more to come. And I think there's an article I pulled up here, guys. Let me get out of here real quick. Okay, this right here. So I think with regulation and the fact that the U.S. is trying to protect this from happening to other people, there's going to be some things that that's going to be in question. And this can, if it's all positive, great. But there's still other things that we have to deal with globally, right? Interest rates, inflation, money printing, housing market being in distress right now. We can go on and on and on. But if you're not just looking at that, add this into it, and anything that could come out of CEOs stepping down, platforms going out of business, what have you. And there's a lot of lawsuits I think is still going to be happening too. So with all that stuff happening, are we at the bottom? I don't think so. That's why it's so important. I tell people, even with the 70-20-10 structure, the 70-20-10 structure that I use in how I invest in dollar cost average and my 25-25-50 and how I take profit. Again, not financial advice. One of the things that I always tell people, especially right now, and what I'm doing myself, is part of my dollar cost averaging. I'm dollar cost averaging into stable coins and getting prepared because, like I said, if everything goes up, hallelujah, I'm excited. But if for some reason things go down, I want to be prepared, because if things do tank, if we do have a major recession slash depression for any reason, all the sentiment, oh, we're going to go back up, and again, we're in a bear pattern until it's invalidated. You guys have seen me put up a lot of charts from Crypto Savvy, from Aaron the Disciple, that shows we can go to 10. Aaron was just talking about the other day how we can go to 10, how we can go to 7.5, how, and Savvy goes all the way down to like $3,500. If these things keep happening and we go down there, are you going to have money to invest? And again, this is not financial advice. I'm just saying, for me, if we, for any reason, go up from this point, I'm excited, because I've been dollar cost averaging this whole time. So when I go up, I'm gonna be in an even better position. But if we go down, can you imagine if we go down to certain levels that if we just get back to where we're at now, it could be life-changing money, let alone where we were at last year. I'm just saying, guys. So let's look into this. Before I read this, let's see who's in here real quick. It says, Quintessential. What's up, Quintessential? My lovely wife, Jeanette. Dore. Oh man, you know what's so crazy? Iron Man, I saw you said Tether USDT. I pulled something up here, and it's so funny. My computer had asked me to restart, and then I lost what I had. But it was talking about Tether. Matter of fact, I might be able to find this. See if I can find this thing here. I've already looked at that. Don't need that. Give me a second, guys. There's something here that I had pulled up. Where is it at? I gotta find this. I want to finish this up, bro. Let me go into. There's something about Anthony just said, but don't let me forget that, Anthony. Tether. That's something else I found about Tether here I was looking at. It says U.S. lawmakers questions major crypto exchanges on consumer protection amid FTX collapse. Binance, Coinbase, Bitfinex, Gemini, Kraken, and KuCoin. Were targets of one senator's probe into protections the firms had in place if a failure similar to FTX occurred again. It says Ron Wyden, chair of for the United States Senate Finance Committee, has requested information from 6 crypto firms on consumer protection following FTX liquidity issues and bankruptcy. Basically, what do you got in place so this doesn't happen again? So, it's funny, when all this happened with FTX and FTT and Sam Bankman-Fried, everybody's like, Binance, hey, this is what we have. Everybody's trying to play that 8 Mile Eminem game, telling themselves before someone comes and asks questions. I was saying that earlier, like, this is what we got. Hey, look at our books. Nope, that's not good enough. So this guy's saying, look, we're going to probe deep. It's not just about what you say and what you show. We're going to go deep to protect the consumer. And I think this is smart, guys. I think this is really smart, because it's time to step up. And this is one of the issues, as Iron Man saying, Tether will fall when it's out. Man, woo! Iron Man, I got something I saw. I might have posted on my deal, because people fail to realize that Tether still has not allowed itself to be audited. That there was a lawsuit that happened. They bought themselves and paid some money to get out of that particular lawsuit. We're going to go there in a minute. So it says, so in separate letters dated on November 28th, Wyden targeted Binance, Coinbase, Bitfinex, Gemini, Kraken, and KuCoin, requesting information on what protections the exchanges had in place if failure like the one that happened to FTX occurred. The senator said that crypto users, sorry guys, my dogs are barking there, who had funds with FTX had no such protections like those at banks or registered brokers under the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation or Securities Investor Protection Corporation. Okay. It says, as Congress considers much needed regulations for the crypto industry, I will focus on the clear need for consumer protections along the lines of the insurances that have long existed for customers of banks, credit unions, and security brokers. We need to be protected. Yep, said Wyden. If these protections had been in place, If these protections had been in place before the failure of FTX, far fewer retail investors would be facing precipitous financial harm today. Precipitous. I've heard that word. That's steep. So precipitous, however you say it. Excuse my spelling. I think it's precipitous, but I know that means, if I'm not mistaken, that means steep. Somebody look that up. I think it's steep. Steep financial harm. Okay. Wyden requested 6 firms provide answers to questions, including those on their subsidiary companies' safeguards of consumer assets, use of customer data, and guards against market manipulation. Hey. So this goes further than this, talking about Elizabeth's warning, Sheldon White House called Justice Department. So, I mean, it looks like, look, guys, it's funny because a lot of us are like, why is he still walking around the Bahamas? Why is he still playing video games? But, these things, something of this magnitude can't get resolved overnight. it's kind of like if you're investigating, a major drug dealer, a major abuser, a major corruption. You can't just go in there swinging, badges and guns, because you got to go and figure out, these guys, especially with FTX and Alameda and how they were intermingling funds and the parents were buying real estate. They got to go now and investigate all this in depth because there's a lot of people's money at risk here, guys. There's a lot of people money at risk. A lot of, this is horrible. So this is also on my Twitter. I want to go over to Iron Man before I forget that. Great read is actually on my Twitter page for those of you guys who want to go further into this. But I definitely applaud what's happening, what this particular Senator Ron Wyden is trying to do. So by all means, make it happen, Ron. Get him, Ron. Get him. Make sure this doesn't happen again. Okay, so let's go into what Anthony just said, my boy Iron Man. I had something pulled up that it was talking about this guy who was talking about Tether and his body language. Where was that article? My God, please tell me I can find that. Where did I find that doggone article, man? It was talking about his body language. They were asking questions about... Oh, right here, this guy. Okay. Listen to this. It says, regarding Tether reserves, remember the AG, Attorney General for the Bahamas, Ryan Pinder, is ex-Deltec. So let's listen to this.
We are not a domestic bank outside of that authorized agent license, but that is an irrelevant business for us. And that not much must be reported. We are an international bank, and that is part of the...
So this guy's talking about Tether, right? This guy's talking about Tether. His name is Gregory... Oh, show the thread. Okay, boom. Let me go into the thread here and give me some more information. Okay, so it says his name is... Okay, let's finish him with this guy. I think he's representing Tether here.
Outside of that authorized agent license, but that is an irrelevant business for us. And that not much must be reported. We are an international bank, and that is part of the international bank aspect. That's why I did answer to some people asking us, but you are domestic. We say no, because we cannot take domestic customer. And we cannot hold domestic Bahamian dollars. Nothing to be seen there. And actually, so that I can complete.
Okay.
Yeah. Every Tether is backed by a reserve. The reserve is fully backed and more than what is in circulation. We can see it firsthand, so I can confirm you that.
Okay, interesting. So then are all the dollars
You could tell she costs, interesting.
that back Tethers held by Deltec?
The reserve, like I said, all the Tether in circulation, they have the reserve matching that and more probably, but they have the reserve.
Tethers held by Deltec? So then are all the dollars that back Tethers held by Deltec?
The reserve, like I said, all the Tether in circulation, they have the reserve matching that and more probably, but they have the reserve. And there is no secret. And when you look at the article, in the reserve, like the entire reserve is there. They have sufficient...
held by Deltec?
Held by Deltec and probably other institutions.
This guy said held by Deltec and probably other financial... They don't have dollar for dollar. And this is what Iron Man is saying, and this is what's come up before when they've requested audits from Tether, which basically bought themselves out of that last investigation. But now it seems like a lot of attention, and there's even government bodies that are now going after Tether again. But I think this is a problem, guys, is that Tether refuses to be fully audited.
But beyond what you would expect for treasury management.
So earlier you very easily said that Deltec is holding the reserves for Tether, but Tether famously hasn't had a true audit of its books. Why not? And does that fact give Deltec pause?
So first of all, like I said that, the Tether is fully backed by their reserve. So but that's not a secret. They've been repeating that over and over. Now,
but there definitely was a moment in time when they did lend a huge chunk of their money to Bitfinex, and that was what led to the...
Fair enough, but again...
See, he's cutting her off. He's not letting her tell what she's trying to ask questions. They lent out a lot of money. I'm telling you guys, it's so similar, and I know, Iron Man, you're probably saying this right now, it's so similar to FTX. FTT. It's so similar. They're lending out money that's really not backed by anything. I'll tell you, if Tether goes down, guys, that's what I'm trying to tell you guys. Not trying to be a conspiracy theorist. Yeah, we see some capitulation at times. Yeah, we're seeing some sideways movements. But boy, if Tether goes down, whoa. That's all I got to say. Whoa.
The question, again, that's the definition. It's a reserve. The question is to wonder if the counterparty is insolvent or not, which is another debate. But
Sounds fishy to me. What did Iron Man say here? In the past, Tether basically said, kick rocks in the past. Okay. They are also in the record saying they rather don't back the token. Saying rather don't back the token 1-to-1 with anything. Think they'll be forced eventually. Yeah, and half my script, for some reason half my chat I can't read it all. But yeah, I agree, Anthony. If I tell you what, yeah, like I'm not trying to be a conspiracist here with being like some kind of conspiracy theorist, but number one, we're starting to see like the aftermath of what happened to FTX, FTT. You're seeing Gemini. Who would have thought, man? Who would have thought last year? All these guys, there's nothing wrong. We're good. There's nothing happening. What did you guys remember? Just right when all this happened, and you know that article came out on the 2nd. Sam Bankman came, CZ came out on the 8th. Said what he had to say. Hey, we're going to be getting rid of our FTT tokens. Sam Bankman quickly replied to CZ saying, hey, we're good. We're opening offices everywhere. We're straight. We're 100. Same thing Tether saying. All of a sudden they sent out to, you know what, wait a minute. We need a hug. Can you help us, CZ? Can you help us? We need a hug over here. And boom, straight down. So I'm just saying, guys, like, this is far from over. Be cautious. At this time, you know, I always tell people, sometimes you want to be busy and you make mistakes. Sometimes you just want to be doing something with crypto. And I think this is a time where you just got to be a student and be patient. Grab you some popcorn, grab you a drink. You know, I got my coffee right here, and just enjoy it. I enjoy my wife. I'm just enjoying time. I'm enjoying studying. I'm just on the sideline, guys, because every day it's just more and more bad news. And I just think we haven't seen the worst of it, because where are those investigations going to go? How far is that going to go to political figures or celebrity figures, or to the downfall of other platforms, or CEOs retiring and running away? Or you just don't know, guys. And I just think it's not over. But man, God forbid it's Tether. That's going to be devastating. That's all I got to say. I'm going to stop. Let me stop. That's enough of that. That's enough of that one, Iron. I think I'm going to stop with that one. So, this is a good read for anybody.
We are not a domestic bank.
We are not. Stop it, guy. Yeah, I think you're lying. Doing all this right here, I think we're good. We don't need to hear that no more. Let's see. Question major exchanges. We went through that, guys. And here's the thing, guys. You got a lot of people right now, because you understand a lot of these companies says investors with less than 1 BTC are accumulating at the fastest pace in history. And think about when, if you ever listen to the Michael Sayer, when he talks about when they decided to finally start buying, it was like after $30,000. Elon and these guys at 20. So what do you think institutions are doing right now when they're sitting at 16,000? I mean, gosh, guys, these guys are buying up Bitcoin specifically. But again, just got to be careful. I don't trust anything. This right here is amazing to me. He's down to $100,000. Good Lord. Okay, guys, so I want to make this pretty sweet, quick, to the point, go over a couple things. And on behalf of Coinbase Wallet, whatever you want to call it, hot wallet, delisting, not showing support, not showing love for XLM, XRP, BCH, and ETC. Sorry, but just on behalf of XLM and XRP, let's do a giveaway. Let's do it. Let's make it happen. Let's see what other people have to say here. Smash those like buttons. That's right. Subscribe. Smash the like button, guys. We appreciate you. Quintessential. Bullish Kenny G. Appreciate you. My bad. What do you say, Iron Man? My bad. Queen's in the house. Josh. What's up, Josh? Hey, guys, we had a lot of winners last night. For those of you guys who weren't on yesterday, we had 12 winners. 12. 10 assorted dad bods giveaways, which we'll be covering with dad bods on Friday. You know, who are they? Who are these guys? Why do I like them so much? Law enforcement, firefighter, guy works for Apple. Great guys. We'll be talking to them on Friday, but we had 10 random NFT giveaways. We had one Marcus Anthony. I think it was Legend with the holographic deal. That was one of those. And we also had, we gave away a hoodie. But I think, who was it? Dore picked a amazing looking shirt. Now she's got me going back. I got to go back and shop some more. She found a design I didn't see. So, whoa. Okay, am I seeing something here? Bitcoin just jumped up $400. Why? Oh, okay. I was tripping. Did that just happen, or was I tripping? Before I do my giveaway here, let me look and see what just happened. I swear I just looked up and saw. Yeah, what's this right here? Anybody knows what's going with that? Whoa, what was this about? It jumped to 16.8 and back down to 4. Had a little pump real quick. What's going on with that? Anybody? Let me go back to my, where we at here? Markets. All right, guys, let's do a giveaway. I don't know why that actually happened, but a little pump there. Okay, that was kind of weird. All right, guys, so let's do a giveaway here. We're going to go to our giveaway screen. Our giveaway screen. Did I do shouts out to everybody already? See, Bullish PDP Real. Congratulations to all the winners from last night. That's right, brother. Shane Sullivan, appreciate you, brother. What's up, 6'8"? Yep, just exploded. Yeah, what was that for, Frankie? What was that for? I looked up 1 minute, it was like, there it is again. What's up with this? 16.8, 16.4, 16. I mean, it could do that. $200-$300. It's been kind of ranging in that 16.5 and had problems breaking through 16.7. So is it trying to break through now? And again, I don't trust it. I don't care if it gets to 17, 18,000. I still don't trust it. Get to 20,000. I still don't trust it. It's just too much FUD, guys. And if you don't think, this is one of the things that we learned early on in trading. Me and Aaron, the disciple, we took the same course at the same time in trading. I started back in 17 and met Aaron in 20. I took a little bit of break in between there, but one of the biggest things is how manipulated this market is. If you don't think market manipulation is real, come on. I mean, it's bigger than just the FTT, FTX. It's Sam Bankman-Fried, and there was even some rumors and some things that were put out there in articles where they were saying that they had a program for FTX where they could actually see people who were doing like shorts and all that type of stuff. It's almost like the gambling site that saw what was in your hand. You're online playing poker, and they could see what was in your hand and beat you. I mean, come on now, stop it. So this don't mean anything to me. 16.8, nah. You get up to 24.5, you just invalidated that we're in a bear market. And even then, until you get way past that, I'm skeptical. I win either way, up or down. I'm winning. Doesn't matter. We're good. We're ready. We're ready to dollar cost average. So again, God mode. Crypto OG, what's up, my man? Queen, Shane Sullivan, Queen, Dad Bods, Quintessential. What's up, Quinn? Frank, appreciate you, Frankie. All right, guys, let's do this giveaway real quick. Okay, here we go. We need to have a short. I've been doing some hour streams. We're gonna keep this under an hour, so let's do some giveaways here. Giveaway, and we're just gonna do, guys. We're gonna do XRP 50 because I believe it's gonna, again, not financial advice. We believe, we the people of Ripple who love Ripple believe that we're going to get to $1,000 coin someday. Hey, that's what they say. That's what it says bid for. We even have people say it's built to be a $10,000 coin. And I know if that happens, Anthony, I'm going to see you in the Bahamas. I'm going to see you somewhere because I know Anthony's got a bag. Anthony's doing his thing. So my man Anthony's ready. He said, man, let it hit 1,000. Watch what happens. I'm going to have to call information to figure out, hey, Anthony, you got a listing for my man Anthony Iron Man? Anybody? Because I think he changed his number. All right, guys. So we're going to do XRP. Let's do it. I said we'll do 7 of them. I said 5 to 10, so that's 5 to 10. That's 7. If I do 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. The next 3 streams. Yeah. Or do we do 50 once every stream over the next 7 streams? Yeah, we'll do that. Okay, so 50, we're going to do 50, XRP, one winner today, 50 XRP sent to you right after the stream. All you got to do is DM me to win. DM me to win, and you got it, okay? We're going to do 2. Gosh, dang it, I just said 1. We're going to do 2 50, guys. I can't help myself, guys. I'm sorry. So we're going to do 2 50 It's like I'm fighting myself up here right now. We're going to do 250 XRP giveaways. I said 2? I think I said 2. We're going to do 2. Okay, guys, here we go. Let me get and everybody can play this. Let me get into my deal here. Oh, my wife just texted me, you got a packet. I think it's your crypto shirts. I'll be wearing it tomorrow. And by the way, guys, please subscribe, hit those like button. And here's the thing. I think we're going to be streaming. I want to say tomorrow, 12. Tomorrow at 12. We'll make it happen. Let's see here. Just got a package. Okay, so that's good. Let me find the... Okay, so here we go, guys. Let me find this live stream. Turn this down, and I can put in... I said 2. Okay, I said 2. We're going to give away 2. Here we go. So we're live. And we're going to put in... Can't stop XRP. What's wrong with Coinbase? What's wrong with you, Coinbase? We're going to keep supporting XRP, man. If I got to keep giving it away, what's wrong with you? Trying to delist XRP. You crazy? Okay, here we go, guys. As soon as you see XRP, here we go. We're going to spin the wheel and push the button at the same time. What should I do first? Spin the wheel? Push the button? Spin the wheel. Right before the wheel stops, I'm going to push the button. And as soon as we see it, we're going 5 down from when I hit XRP for the first winner. 5 down. 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shane Sullivan. Man, Shane, you on a roll, Shane. Look at Shane. Shane Sullivan just won yesterday, I believe. Shane Sullivan won yesterday as well, I believe. Am I not mistaken there? Shane Sullivan, the winner, the first winner. Let me look that up real quick. I think, Shane, you won yesterday, right? I'm just trying to see how lucky Shane is. I believe Shane won yesterday. I sent all the winners to Josh. No, okay, Shane won the other day, I believe. I think I saw Shane won the other day. No, Shane, Shane Sullivan did win. He won the Marcus Anthony Legendary Holograph NFT. Wow. Congratulations, Shane. You won again, brother. Shane Sullivan. Boy, Shane got his hand on the button, boy. You hitting that button right. Might be time to go hit the, no, let's say at the casino. Stop. We don't want to hit the casino. All that money goes into crypto. Let's stop it. Not financial advice. Okay, here we go, guys. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Spin the wheel. Do it again. Let me put XRP again. XRP. Oh, I did not just misspell that. How do you misspell a 3-letter word? XRP. Fingers. All right, guys, here we go. XRP coming to you. Before we go, guys, let me just say how much I appreciate you guys. I've been in communication with Dr. Damboy. For those of you guys who are part of the family, we sent over money to Nigeria on behalf of Crypto4Life. I have dollar cost average into our Coinbase wallet. We actually have a Coinbase wallet. I didn't put XRP on there because they don't support it, but we have a Coinbase wallet for the group, for our mods and admin, but a percentage of that goes to the mods and admin, a percentage of that goes to giveaways, a percentage of that goes to charity, all that stuff, guys. And so instead of waiting for it to go up, I just took more money out of my pocket and I sent it to Nigeria so that he can go out and make a difference. As soon as he does that, we're going to send some more. We're going to keep it going. We love helping people, guys. And so that's what Crypto4Life is about, a fresh start, a new beginning, an amazing family, uplifting others. We win together. Ain't that right, Iron Man? That's right. Ain't that right, Bullish Kenny G? You know. PDP Real. He knows. Bullish Big D in the house. Josh, Quintessential. Lopaka, how you doing, my friend? Shane Sullivan. Congratulations again. Shane's been winning. Dore, Queen. How you doing, my friend? My lovely wife, Janelle. Okay, here we go, guys. XRP. Spin the wheel. Where it lands, who knows? Let's go. And we're going to end up six down from Crypto4Life. And it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bullish Big D in the house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bullish Big D. Congratulations, my friend. You won the second 50 XRP. One day, 50,000. Or times it by 10,000. Who knows? Not financial advice. Appreciate you guys. Again, guys, make sure you smash those likes. hit that subscribe button. We'll appreciate you very much. We'll be looking to go on tomorrow at noon, maybe tomorrow evening. Not sure. I'm waiting to hear back from a possible guest tomorrow night. I do know that we're going to be having a interview with the guys from Dad Bods. Guys, I'm really looking forward to that. Talking about the celebrities that we're working with. Talking about they're going to be doing giveaways. You think they did a lot of giveaways yesterday? We're going to do just as many giveaways Friday. I'm going to talk to them, but I want to do a lot of giveaways, at least 10. Let's do 10 giveaways on Friday in support of what they're doing. You get to meet these guys, meet who they are, find out how I met them. They're right here in the area that I'm in this wine country area. Amazing guys, incredible individuals. Their careers definitely is a reflection of who they are. One is in law enforcement. One is a firefighter, been firefighter for like 15 years. And a third is actually a bigwig with Apple. So hey guys, we got a hell of a team. I'm a part of that team. I'm excited. I'm blessed and fortunate to be a part of the journey with them guys. And we're going to be doing a lot of giveaways. That's what it's all about. We're not trying to shield. We're trying to bless. We're trying to bless. We're going to be blessing a lot of people with a lot of Dad Bod stuff. And it's going to be extraordinary. So, hey guys, that's going to be Friday. Tomorrow, 12 p.m. Tomorrow night, who knows? Mystery guest. I'm still working on that. Waiting for a couple things. But hey guys, definitely appreciate you guys. Much love. It's your boy. Let me do some shots out. Dore, appreciate you. Lopaka, appreciate you. David Adams, you're the man, the myth, the legend. Crypto Tales. Hey man, I already set it up. I already told you, my boy Marcus Anderson. So let's do this. Crypto Tales, you might get a deal. Let's do it. But no, you got some skills. Crypto Tales, appreciate you, brother. Who else is in the house here? Shane Sullivan, Bullish PDP Real, Iron Man, my brother. Congrats. Iron, you need to reach out to me. I got to talk to Iron Man at least once a week or I don't feel right. Me and Iron Man have been through some amazing things, brother. Amazing. That's my ace. One of probably my best friends in the crypto world. Crypto OG. Appreciate you guys. We're out, guys. Much love. This is your boy James, aka 68J. Until next time, tomorrow 12. Peace.